Welcome! Today, we're exploring how to generate random images using Python. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder, this tutorial will guide you through various methods to create random images effortlessly. First up, we have the Pillow library. Pillow is a powerful Python imaging library that makes it easy to generate random images. Let's see how it works. You can install Pillow using pip. Here's a simple example to generate a random image with random pixel data. First, import the necessary libraries. Create a blank image with a white background. Generate and test random pixels by setting random coordinates and colors. Finally, save the image. With just a few lines of code, you can create and save a random image. It's that simple. Next, let's explore how to generate random images using NumPy and Matplotlib. These libraries are great for large calculations and data visualization. Here's how you can create and display a random image using these libraries. First, import NumPy and Matplotlib. Create a random image by generating an array of random pixel values. Display the image using Matplotlib and save it. This method provides greater control over image customization, allowing you to manipulate pixel data directly. For those looking for more advanced techniques, Generative Adversarial Networks, or GANs, offer a way to generate highly realistic images. GANs consist of two neural networks, a generator and a discriminator. Here's a basic example using PyTorch to get you started. First, import PyTorch and other necessary libraries. Define a simple GAN class with a generator network. Initialize the generator and generate a random image using noise. Display the image using Matplotlib. While GANs require a deeper understanding of neural networks and can be computationally intensive, they are capable of producing highly realistic images. Let's compare these methods based on ease of use, customization, realism, and speed. Pillow is the easiest to start with, making it perfect for quick and simple random images. NumPy and Matplotlib offer more control and customization. GANs, though complex, provide the highest level of realism. Your choice of method depends on your specific needs and expertise. Pillow is great for quick prototypes, NumPy and Matplotlib for customizable images, and GANs for realistic image generation. Keep exploring and experimenting with these techniques to find what works best for you. Thanks for watching. Happy coding!